Do you have all the roles and responsibilities clearly spelled out for your business? Hey, this is Nick Hodge with Sellers Arena. And in this video, I'm gonna go over an application called Trainual that we've recently started using, and it's really helped to really organize what the roles exactly are in our business and what the responsibilities for each of those specific roles are. So in this video, I'm gonna jump into my computer and show you Trainual and how you can use it to organize and streamline any of these things for any business, not just an Amazon agency. Jumping right in here to the Trainual platform, I want to show you this specific page, and later on in later videos probably go into kind of showing you guys how we use the policy section, process section, especially process, how we build out, the process that we have and, best practices for that. And of course they have their training videos in Trainual itself, so you can check those out too if you decide to use this application. But specifically, again, I want to talk about the roles in your company and how you can use this to really help dial in, who should be doing what, their responsibilities for each role, and from those responsibilities, figuring out, what tasks and processes they should be responsible for. In Trainual, going to under the people section, you're going down the roles here. And as you can see, I've started building out some examples. This is a platform we just recently started using. And so far, I'm really liking it because it's gonna really help. I can see how it's gonna really help organize things and make things run a lot smoother within our company. So that's why I wanna pass this along, because right now we're doing it another way, so we're trying to streamline everything. But anyway, tangent, just looking at, some of the basic roles that I've already set up for our company. There's some others I still need to build out. You see a lot of these don't have anything assigned to them yet, but just taking a look at one of these specifically. So we can look at our operations specialist here, okay? So taking a look at this role here as an example, you're gonna come in here and you could basically build out a brief description of what they do. So handles the execution of all tasks related to onboarding new clients, setting up initial PPC campaigns, and other core service related tasks, okay? So really simple there, just have a basic idea. And then responsibilities. This is going to be a really important thing to do before you get into any of this other stuff like building out all the processes and whatnot. Doing this first to really help define what this person actually needs to be doing. So in this case, they're taking care of onboarding clients. They're taking care of checking budgets. They're taking care of adjusting campaign bids, setting up new campaigns, managing Amazon posts, and overseeing video ad creation. Just as some examples, and there's probably more things we're going to add to this or adjust. These are just some things we threw in here as an example right now. But from here, we can then understand with these responsibilities, do we have all these spelled out with specific processes or no? If not, we probably, within each of these responsibilities, there's probably several processes, SOPs that need to be built out from this. So you can use this kind of an overview, a guide to go off of to figure out what processes you even need to make. What are the most important responsibilities here that move the needle the most, produce the most income for your clients or bring in the most revenue for your business, okay? And again, this doesn't have to be for an Amazon agency like this. I mean, this is something you could set up for any business, no matter what it is, and have, you figure out their responsibilities and the how-tos for each of those responsibilities. And the cool thing about this though, you have this here and then you can see who's assigned to this. So we have one of our operations specialists assigned to this, and then you have a couple of the SOPs that we've already built out, assigned to that. So you can see what's already been built out and what we're still missing. So we see we have a lot of responsibilities here and a lot of other SOPs that need to be assigned and built out, etc. I just wanted to show you this. Have a great place to start if you are thinking about some sort of application to help manage your business. This is a great way to start and help organize things and really get everything, especially processes, built out. So as you're trying to scale your business, you don't have to spend tons of time training new people. It's already all here, especially, and again, for policies and stuff like that too. It's already all here. So everybody's clear, everything's transparent, there's no confusion. And yeah, it just makes your life a whole lot easier when you're running your business. So yeah, hope that helps you out, guys. Give this a try. I'll leave a link down in the description below for Trainual if you do want to check it out. And yeah, until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.